The last part of this unit involves the opposite of what you've been doing. So now they're going to give you the description of the transformation, and you have to write the equation that matches it. So we're still going to need that vertex form equation. So y equals negative a x minus h squared plus k. Okay, and remember the negative means it flips over. The a means that it stretches or shrinks. The h means if it's a minus h, it's going to move to the right. If it's a plus h, it's going to move left. And then we have k. If it's a plus k, it's going to move up. And if it's a minus k, it's going to move down. So we're still going to need to reference that to write those equations. So you're always going to start with y equals. Then it says reflected over the x-axis. Well, we know a reflection is the same as a flip. I'll write that word here too, reflect. So that means it's going to start with a negative. It's translated 6 units left. So that means it doesn't stretch or shrink, so we don't need an a. We can put the parentheses instead. And then since it's going left, left means it's plus an h number, and that h number is 6. So we're going to put plus 6. Okay. We don't need to put a k number because it doesn't move up or down. We do need our squared though. Okay, so that's all you have to write for number 10. Number 11 says it vertically is stretched by a factor of 3. Okay, so it doesn't flip over. We don't need a subtract or a negative, sorry. If it vertically stretches, that means we're going to put a 3 there, parentheses x, and then it's translated 4 units up. So my apologies, we don't need, so we don't need the parentheses. So we're going to say 3x squared. 4 units up would be plus 4. We don't need the parentheses because it doesn't move right or left. So that one looks a little different than you might be used to. Number 14 says it's reflected over the x-axis. So we're going to say y equals negative. Okay. There's no shrink or stretch, so we don't need an a value. X translated 8 units left. Okay, well, I go over here to my formula, and left is plus, so x plus 8 squared, and 3 units up. Well, up is also plus, so we say plus 3.